Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Filmora for screen recording in quick cuts, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Filmora on your computer. Select New Project to start a fresh workspace. Navigate to the File menu in the upper left corner. Click on Preferences to adjust settings. In the General tab, choose your preferred video resolution and frame rate. Next, go to the Recording tab. Here, ensure that your audio input device is set correctly. Set the video input capture to your screen. Now, return to the main interface and click on the Record button. You will see two options, Screen and Webcam. Select Screen. Choose the screen area you want to capture. Click on Start Recording to begin your screen capture. Once you're done, stop the recording by clicking the Stop button. Your captured footage will now appear in the media library. Drag the footage to the timeline for editing. To create quick cuts, play the footage and pause at the desired cut points. Select the scissor tool from the toolbar to split the clip. Remove unwanted sections by selecting them and pressing the Delete key. Ensure the remaining clips are aligned seamlessly. To add transitions, go to the Transitions tab. Drag your desired transition between clips on the timeline. Adjust transition durations as needed by clicking on the transition icon. To export your project, click on the Export button. Choose your preferred video format and quality settings. Finally, click Export to save your finished video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.